In today's video, we are going to talk about an error of Android mobile. As soon as you open your mobile, after opening you get a message on your screen, mobile network not available. How did you solve this problem? You have to watch our complete video so that you can know how to solve this problem. And if you are new to our channel, then you must subscribe to our channel to get any future or present Android related information. If you have any problem, then you can solve your problem by watching our old or new video. First of all, you have go to settings to solve this problem. After that, you have to go to SIM card option. In the SIM card, you have to click on the prefer network type. In the prefer network type, you have select the option 4G or 5G. After that, you have to go to the option of access point names and click on three dots. After that, you have to click on the reset to default option. As soon as you click on the reset to default option, this will be your first setting. After that, you have to put your mobile on airplane mode. After that, you have to reboot or restart your mobile. As soon as you reboot or restart your mobile, then this problem will be 100% solved out. You can also solve this problem by going to setting and click on reset network setting. As soon as you do this setting in your mobile, your problem will be solved.